Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know how to combine data from different cells into a single cells, or another way, how to concatenate data. In this regard, I will let you know about two different ways, two different commands. And for this purpose, I first fill these cells with certain data. For example, I want to add a series of number, so I select the two cell. I put the cursor on the fill handler and drag it down to enter a series like this, and then I add another thing. I add 2020, and then the next cell with 2021, and then I select the two cells and I drag again the same way to fill them with this series, and then here I put JAM, and then I put FEB, and I select the two cells, I drag it down to enter the names of months, and I want to combine the data of the three cells in the given order. That is, so for that I use equal, and then I put cell C3, and I put ampersand. Ampersand sign is used for concatenation, and then I add D3. Let me combine these two first. I hit enter, and you see the 1 in cell C3 is put first, and then the values in cell D3 are put next, and they are combined in a single order. And I can edit it to put this another ampersand sign, and add cell E3 as well. And if I enter now, all three are combined in the same order, or I can change this order. I can put this E3, and this one I can replace with D3, and if I enter, I'll have 1st January 2022. So I can change the order. I drag this to put this in the same way, and you can now read 1st January 2022, 2nd February 2021, 3rd March 2022, and so on. You can do one way like this. There is another very beautiful way that in which we use the command concatenation. So I put an equal sign over here to enable the formula format of the app, and then I add concatenation. It is on the second number, so I double click it to enter it, and now it depends on where in which order we want to put them. So I want to put January 1st, I put E3, then I put C3, then comma, and then I put D3, and I close the parentheses and I hit enter. So it is January 1st 2022, but this format is a little ugly. So what I do, I add a space after January, and that I can do by putting quotes and then space, then quotes, and then adding comma. So I put it like this. If I hit enter, now I have January 1st, but there is no space after 20, so I add a space after this as well. I add a comma, then space, then inside the quotes, and now I hit the enter button. So now it is in fact in a readable format, or I can even change this by adding a comma inside this space. If I add a comma at this position, it will now put a comma, January 1st 2022. I can add parentheses around the values of D3 in the form. I put quote, I start quote, then I put start parenthesis, then quote, and then followed by a comma. So this should be a separate entity. Then I move to the right of D3, I add a comma, and then I add a quote, then close the parenthesis, and then add a quote. Now if I hit this, I get this format. So I drag, I select the cell and drag the free-handed down to apply this to all of them. So you see, I can combine the data. I can put the data into a single cell into different format by using the command concatenation in Excel. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.